YouTube, what's good? Vinny here. Thanks for checking out the channel. And today we're going to be talking about how to look like your favorite rappers, like this guy. Or this guy.
Oh yeah.
And that guy.
I was 2 years old when I popped Percocet. I was 3 years old when I popped Percocet.
Yeah, a couple of rappers now. Roll the intro. Welcome back, everybody. How's your day going? I'm sure it's great because you look great. You're looking great right now. But today's goal is we're trying to figure out how do we look like our favorite rappers, whether that's from Lil Pump, Lil Yachty, Lil Wayne. The list goes on and on, but these are modern day rappers that we're trying to look like because I guess that's just the new wave. That's just the new trend. Every rapper has dreads, and if you don't have dreads, are you really considered a real rapper these days? I mean, come on now. Before we get right into it, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the content. More tutorials like this and advice and dread tips coming right at you. Now, to further illustrate how to look like your favorite rapper, I'm actually going to do this in pen and paper. In order to be a rapper with dreads, you got to have dreads. Whether that means you got to grow your dreads or whether you got to get fake dreads, you just need some type of dreads. And luckily for you, these days, a lot of these rappers have fake dreads. You know, I'm not going to name any of them, but you know exactly what I'm talking about. You can just tell if somebody has fake dreads. If not, we'll actually do a video about fake dreads. There's so many videos out there with fake dreads. I don't really want to get into it. It's none of my business. I don't care. Because luckily for you guys, we live in a world where quantity is better than quality. You know, there's a lot of SoundCloud rappers out there. There's a lot of modern day rappers these days who don't really make good music, but that shit goes. It cranks, you know? So in the scheme of things, you can see that with your dreads. You don't need real dreads. Just get some fake ones. Look the part. You look the part. You be the part. You be the greatest rapper alive. Like this guy.
Man.
I know, right? He's so great. He's so great. He's so great. So the first thing you want to do to be a good rapper is get your dreads. Fake dreads. Doesn't matter. So once you got your dreads down, you got to figure out how you want to look like, okay? Do you want them long? Do you want them short? Do you want to go for the cheap keep one? You know, just all in your face? It doesn't matter, you know? When you actually go through those stages of little short hair, people appreciate it because they're like, oh, wow, look. His dreads grew in like 5 minutes. It went from short to long. That's for the fake dreads. But you know, you gotta have dreads. You gotta have dreads. Now, once you figure out the style you want, whether you want it in ponytails or you want it straight up, whatever. The more out there you look, the more attention you guys are gonna get. So you know, just do whatever. So you gotta have your dreads. You know, with the tattoos on your face, put some grill in your mouth. You look like a modern day rapper. You know. And if you guys are going through the ugly stage, just wear a hat. Most of these rappers, they wear hats or do-rags, cover their dreads so they're growing. But once you actually get it to the point where it's at a nice lift of your dreads, that's when you can do whatever. That's when you can have it all in your face. That's when you can wear a hat, you can wear a bandana. Style it up, man. But it doesn't even matter about that. Just have a banging hot song with your dreads and you look good. So let's start it out. So as you see here, I draw a little head, because that's the rapper's head, okay? And with that head, we're going to draw a little. Let's see, some tattoos, maybe a grill. And the best tattoo you can have is something, you know, just on your face. And when it's on your face, you gotta be something that stands out. You wanna stand out, you wanna be a favorite rapper, right? So let's put a booty on your face, okay? A nice round booty, because you know, you're a face ass, yeah. You'll be a face ass nigga, okay? So, you're a face ass nigga. You're a face ass rapper. Yes. So now let's get the dreads going. So right here, I'm gonna draw a line for the dreads, with the short dreads, nice and short dreads. Boom. That's exactly how you guys are gonna look like, okay? Now with these dreads, you can freeform it, you can twist and gel, doesn't matter. The uglier the better, because that's what these dreads, that's what these rappers look like these days. They don't care, just, you know. But it's not just, it just doesn't stop there. Whether it's natural hair or fake hair, you gotta add some color. Add the color. So once you add the color, make sure it stands out. It can be your favorite color. My favorite color is red. So I'm gonna draw a couple of red lines here, okay? Now those red lines are my dreads, but no. We're not trying to be like me because I'm not a rapper. We're trying to be the best rapper, the best looking rapper. It doesn't matter about what we rap about. We just want to look the part, right? So we're going to add some color. So go ahead and add some color, okay? And we're adding color, looking good. That looks like a nice rapper, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Yeah, okay, but it doesn't stop there, okay? Gotta get a shape up. Shape that shit up, man. Look, then you have a nice little fade, okay? That's the style that's going on right now, okay? Now it just doesn't stop there. Then you gotta add some color, add some pink, add some purple. For example, add some fucking gummy worms. Yes. Now these gummy worms are looking like how most dreads are looking at right now. Just colorful. And voila. You're a masterpiece, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, and now all we need is a banger from you. And look at you, your little rapping little ass. Doesn't that look beautiful? That's beautiful, man. Oh my goodness. That's a million first week. A million the first week. I can call it right now. Look at you. You're just rapping that. Go ahead, shake her. What? Oh, you dropped it. Okay. Alright. You dropped it. You dropped your dreads, man. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. Whether it's real dreads or fake dreads, we just put them back on. That's what everybody does now these days. There you have it, guys. That's how you look like your modern day favorite SoundCloud rapper these days, okay? I helped you out, man. Now you go ahead and help me out by liking the video, commenting the video. I know, right? I know, right? Yeah, I know. You ain't even gotta tell me, man. I know that, but yeah, this is what they look like. This is what they look like, okay? I'm just trying to help. Jeez, I'm just trying to help, man, okay? Alright, man. Like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, do whatever. Make sure your favorite rapper sees this video because, like I said, I'm helping them out. Okay? Actually, they're helping me out by helping you out because I'm teaching you how to look like them, okay? Yo, pass me a gummy worm. What? Oh, you need that? For your next music video? I bet. Do your thing. It's been Vinny Matthews, guys. And I'm out.